各位同學大家好，呢節咧我哋會睇下 basic 嘅 organic chemistry 嘅一啲學過嘅內容嘅。咁有幾個重點啦。第一個重點呢，就係大家記得啦，你哋學過幾個嘅叫做 functional group 嘅東西啦。咁呢啲 functional group 呢，記住係一 group 或者係一粒嘅 atom 或者係一啲嘅特別嘅 bond。而呢啲 bond 啊、group 啊等等呢，係會直接介入呢一個 compound 嘅 chemical property 嘅。咁你學過嘅幾個 group 呢，分別有 saturated 嘅 hydrocarbon 啦，另外呢就有 CC double bond 或者呢叫做 carbon carbon double bond。咁又有呢係 halo group， 咁即係話呢係一個 halogen 啦。另外仲有 hydroxy group， 咁同埋呢就係 carboxy group 嘅。咁呢紮嘅 group 呢，係我哋喺第一部分嘅 organic chemistry 關於 fossil fuels 啊、關於個 addition polymer 等等嘅地方呢，我哋學過嘅。咁第二個最重要嘅基本嘅理論呢，就係 homologous series 啦。咁應該大家呢都知道 homologous series 嘅基本定義啦。咁而個基本定義呢，牽涉咗呢有幾個 point 嘅。咁第一個 point 呢，就係佢哋要有 same general formula。咁譬如呢，我哋以 homologous series alkene 做一個參考，咁佢個 general formula 係 CnH2n 嘅。咁另外呢，佢哋都會有 same functional group。而呢個 functional group 呢，喺 alkene 呢，就係 carbon carbon double bond。而另外呢，喺佢哋嘅 successive members 入邊呢，即係話連續嘅 member， 隨住 carbon 嘅數目增加呢，咁佢哋會有一個嘅 CH2 unit 嘅 difference 啦。咁譬如呢，我哋識得舉例啦，呢個第一個 member 就係 ethene， 第二個 member 呢就係 propene， 第三個 member 呢就係 butene 嘅。咁當然啦，我哋再仔細睇呢， butene 都已經有兩個可能性㗎啦。咁而 homologous series 呢，係喺個 organic chem 入邊呢，佢會 show 到一個嘅 gradual change。而呢個 gradual change 係隨住 carbon number 上升而有嘅。咁主要呢會係喺個 physical properties 方面啦。咁譬如呢嗰個嘅 boiling point 啦，一路 increase， 又或者呢隨住 carbon number 上升呢，個 solubility in water 呢就會係 decrease 嘅。咁另外呢，佢哋嘅 chemical properties 呢，我哋話佢哋係 similar， 佢哋有 similar 嘅 chemical property， 即係話呢 chemical reaction 方面呢係相近嘅。譬如舉個例啦，我哋用翻 alkene 做例子，咁 alkene 佢可以同 bromine react， 咁無論邊一款嘅 alkene， 即係幾多個 carbon 嘅 alkene 呢，佢 react 出嚟嘅 product 呢都會係一樣嘅。譬如舉個例啦，如果係有最基本嘅，咁就4個 H， 咁 react 出嚟嘅 product 呢亦都會係咁樣樣。咁假如呢係用 propene 做一個嘅 example， 咁佢同 bromine 嘅 reaction 呢個結果都係一樣嘅。咁就換句話講呢， 都係會有相近嘅 product，即係話 CC double bond 會俾兩個嘅 Br 呢就會 add 咗落去，所以呢個 reaction 呢，我哋叫佢做 addition reaction 啦。拜拜。